What are the best pencils to use? Well, when it comes to choosing pencils, you're going to want to choose a brand that has a full range of very soft all the way to very hard pencils. What I mean by that is that soft pencils are designated B, 2B, 3B, 4B, and the higher B it goes, the softer it is. HB is right in the middle. Americans, you're going to call that a number 2 pencil. And then H pencils are hard, and they go H, 2H, 3H, 4H, and so on, all the way to 9H. So you want a wide range to give your drawing options the widest possibilities. The big three for me when it comes to choosing pencils are all great pencils. I have a personal preference, and I'll get into that in a second. The big three are Derwent, and Derwent comes out of England. They have a very good, affordable pencil. Second is Faber-Castell, also a top quality pencil. I use Faber-Castell mostly for colored pencils. Their polychromos line is premium. And lastly, the Staedtler Mars Lumograph. This for me is my pencil of choice, this whole line. The entire line from 8B all the way up to 9H is excellent. But in particular, the 7B and the 8B offer something that the Faber-Castell and the Derwent don't, and that is using black graphite. The Derwent and the Faber-Castell use gray graphite for the 7 and the 8B. So this is your softest pencil, and the Staedtler Mars Lumograph uses black graphite, and you can see how soft it is, almost like mascara. Faber-Castell and Derwent don't offer that. So this is it. This is, for me, my recommendation for the best pencil is the Staedtler Mars Lumograph. Hope this helps.